Look at the green on that. That's crazy.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, I got that one. I got that one.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
That was good.
I got a reason one.
I'd hate if this one just pops off. So here's the most visibly confused person.
There's like hundreds of people standing around a pool of water.
I've seen weirder.
Like,
100 people standing around a fountain at night. Let's wait for it one last time, seeing as we're so close. I got it recorded. Oh, that was a poor one. That was a poor one. Oh yeah, that means the next one's gonna come. Or is it? So when you make the trip to the Icelandic Geysers, please be patient. Don't be like me and just walk away from the exploding geysers. Makes me look like an idiot. But lesson learned. I've got it on camera. It's been more than 8 minutes now since it's gone. Yeah, I left my tripod in the car, so I'm just going to stand here patiently. I think the reason people know is because it bubbles beforehand, but we're standing on the opposite side, but I want to stay safe. That's why I'm here. Go! Got it. I got that one fully.
I think to myself,
I'm happy with that.